Hi guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Target beauty boxes for October, the men's and the women's. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so both of my Target, that was upside down, yeah. Both of my Target boxes just arrived, and we have men's versus women's. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these up and show you what's inside. I'll go ahead and do the women's one first. We can see what's in here, and then I'll go ahead and open up the men's box. Target beauty boxes are not a subscription box. They literally show you everything that's going to be in them, and then you can choose if you want to purchase them or not. They're $7 with free shipping, and they always give you a $3 coupon. If you use the coupon, it brings us to $4 for the box and everything inside. This is very, very festive for this time of year. I love their boxes. I do save them because they're nice boxes. You can always put a label right over the Target thing, and you're never gonna know it's a Target box. So there's a lid. When you look inside, this is the little list, and there is your $3 off coupon, and it is for $15 or more on cosmetics, skincare, or hair care, and you can get $3 off. Now, inside, looks like that. So right on top, we do have a pair of, actually there's two pairs of lashes by Ardell. Now, the only lashes that I have that I will be doing is the magnetic ones that I did show you guys. So these I will go ahead and save and put into a future giveaway. The tag is already kind of lifted up right here. I did not do that. That's how it already was, but that's how it is, but they're not used. So this will go in a future giveaway. Then we have Head and Shoulders Royal Oils Moisture Boost Shampoo and Conditioner with Coconut Oil. So I do appreciate when they do give you both the shampoo and the conditioner. Plus, these are amazing for travel sizes. So these are good if you're going anywhere, planning a trip. You can always save these because these are airport friendly because they're only 3 ounces. Then we have, this is Intense Hydration 24-hour moisture for all skin types. And it says, apply to face and neck after cleansing. Ooh, it gets smaller. Here is the little sample right there. So I will go ahead and try that out. Then we have a sample from number 7, which is Line Correcting Booster Serum. And I like number 7, so I'm really excited to try that out. Then we have Vaseline Extreme Dry Skin Rescue Healing Moisture Lotion. This is always good to even throw in your car, in your purse, at your desk at work. This is a good size for that. Then we have toothpaste, whitening Crest toothpaste. And this is also good if you are planning to travel because these are good to take with that. But if not, it's also good just to try. So then we have, here's L'Oreal. This looks like a 1-day color, no gloves, no damage, no commitment. So this looks like this would be a red, and then here is a pink. So you have these little trials to pop some color in your hair if you want to try something that's not going to stay long. So there's that. So that is everything in the women's. We got these, we got this, we got the eyelashes, the shampoo and the conditioner, lotion, face moisture lotion, basically. We have the Line Correcting Boosting Serum and a $3 off coupon. What are you thinking of the women's Target box this month? Throw that off to the side. Let's go ahead and get into the men's box. So there is that. There's the cover without the glare on it. Moving and grooming. There's another $3 off coupon. Then it has the blue tissue paper. And inside the men's box, we have Dove Men Plus Care Deodorant Wipes, Active Plus Fresh. This would actually probably be good for my man to even put in his golf bag. in case he's out there sweating it up a storm, because here in Florida it's really hot. This might even be good for him to put in his golf bag. I don't know. This box is going to him once I'm done. Then we have Suave Professionals Men 3-in-1 Citrus Rush Shampoo plus Conditioner plus Body Wash. And then we have Men's Head and Shoulders 2+1 Active Series Pure Sport with Old Spice. So that's a shampoo and conditioner. Chill a Minute or 30 Cream Mask. Ooh, I think I might try to get him to try a mask with me. And I'll be like, this is for men, babe. Come on, let's try this out. This is the Bandito Mask Bar. Chill a Minute or 30 Cream Mask for men. So there's that. Then we have a Prepare, Lather Up and Shave, and a Moisture. So a 3-step shaving little kit to try out. And there's a lot of liquid in there actually. And Crest, but this one is Gum plus Sensitivity. So that is everything in the men's box. We have the, I almost said toilet paper. Oh my goodness, what is wrong with my brain? The toothpaste, not toilet paper, the shaving 3-step little kit to try out, the face mask, shampoo and conditioner, and body wipes. Plus the $3 coupon. So that is everything that came in both of the October boxes. This month they did have them in, so I grabbed that not only to give to my man, but to show you guys. If you do want to get them, they are both still available on their site directly from Target.com. You can go check them out. So go ahead and comment down below, you guys. Let me know, did you like either one of these? Did you get them? Do you want to get them? Do you now not want to get them? Let me know all of the details down below. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly appreciate it. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye.